ready for this? Organization, decluttering, minimalism all seem to be the buzzwords for 2019, and we're only into February. Our next guest says it is more than just streamlining your belongings. Anna Newton has been blogging about organizational hacks and tutorials on YouTube for nearly 10 years, and she's now putting it all down in her new book, An Edited Life. Anna joins us all the way from the UK. Welcome to Canada.
Thank you for having me. This is my first time.
So very exciting. We're so glad you chose Toronto so we could have you on.
Thank you.
Okay, so Anna, you've tried the Marie Kondo method,
Yes.
but you wanted a more comforting middle ground that I feel like for a person like me who sees the Marie Kondo method and goes, this is going to be for me.
Yes.
Okay, so what happened to you when you tried the method?
I love the method. I gave it a proper go. I tried it out for a solid year and I just got rid of so much. I got rid of so many things. I didn't have enough clothes to wear.
Oh, no.
My husband thought I was going to get rid of the TV remote control because it wasn't giving me joy. So I've realized that there's more of this middle ground where you can still have things that bring you joy, but you can also have useful things, things you actually need, things that are actually functional in your life.
The things that you look at and you think, I feel neutral about this, but I need you to
need it, exactly. So it's all about editing, and the book is all about editing to suit you. It's going to be completely different for everyone.
Okay, so why did you want to make a book? Because you have very successful YouTube videos.
Thank you.
But you put it down on paper, so why the move there?
I really enjoy writing. I have a blog as well, and I've written on my blog for the last 10 years. And people just really enjoyed when I wrote about life organization advice. So I thought, you know what? Let's do a book for all my friends that always ask me advice. I'm like, here you go. Now you can have a book. It's got everything you need to know in it.
Now you've got a manual. Now the book, it is a lengthy book. There are a lot of pages in it, but you've broken it down kind of step by step. So how do we start the editing process in our life?
I think it's going to be different for everyone, but it's about starting with what you're excited to do. If that's your spice rack, if that's your wardrobe, if that's your kitchen cupboards, whatever it is, start with that first. You're going to be so much more likely to actually continue it on.
When we spark a little joy.
Exactly.
For lack of a better word. Anna, your most popular video on YouTube is how to build a capsule wardrobe. And as a mom, I've heard so much about this idea, but it is perhaps one of the most brilliant things I've ever heard about. What is a capsule wardrobe?
Capsule wardrobe is having just seasonal items in front of you in your wardrobe and then storing away, so right now you don't want your summer dresses, your camisoles, your flip-flops. Put those away, store those away, just have all of your winter stuff out. You're so much more likely to wear everything, be able to find everything easier in the morning. It's just a much more faster process getting ready.
What's your standpoint on how many things we should have for each season? Do you have hard and fast rules with this?
I don't. I've done that in the past and it just didn't work out for me. And so I just feel like you should be wearing everything that's in your wardrobe. If you're not wearing it, it's time to pass it on.
Okay, if there's one thing you'd like people to take away from your book and from your whole organizational standpoint, from editing, what would it be?
Oh, I would say you just want to be organized and edited, and that's going to be different for everyone. I really don't want this to be a rule book for everyone. It is, you're the editor, and it's up to you to decide what makes you happy. And hopefully you'll have a bit more time, if you're more organized, to sort of do these really fun things that bring you joy in your life.
Anna, you were telling me right before we came on the air that you have been organized your entire life.
I have, yeah.
I am not there. I don't understand people like you.
It's my parents. They gave it to me.
So for a person like me who's like, Car, I can't even have people in because it'd be embarrassing with all the stuff they'd see in it. Is there hope for me with this book?
Yes, definitely. Start small, work your way up. You'll get there in the end. Okay,
the book is An Edited Life. You can pick up a copy in Canada next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday, yeah, the 12th.
Very exciting. Congratulations.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, we're so happy to have you in.